Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the hardest natural substance on earth? Diamond, gold, iron or platinum? The correct answer is option A, diamond. Diamond, an allotrope of carbon, is the hardest natural substance known and has a very high melting and boiling point. Next question, which city is known as the Venice of the North? Amsterdam, Copenhagen, St. Petersburg or Stockholm? The correct answer is option C, St. Petersburg. Known as the Venice of the North, St. Petersburg is made up of 40 islands divided by more than 60 canals and linked by some 500 bridges. Next question, which country was the first to reach the South Pole? United States, Norway, Russia or United Kingdom? The correct answer is option B, Norway. On 18 October 1911, after the Antarctic winter, Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen's team set out on its drive toward the pole. On 14th December 1911, Amundsen raised the flag of Norway at the South Pole. Next question, which element is most commonly used in the manufacturing of semiconductors? Silicon, iron, copper or gold? The correct answer is option A, silicon. Silicon is the most commonly used element in the production of semiconductors, essential in electronics. Next question, who discovered the law of gravity? Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Niels Bohr or Galileo Galilei? The correct answer is option B, Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton discovered the law of gravity, stating that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force proportional to their masses. Next question, which country has the longest border with the United States? Canada, Mexico, Russia or Guatemala? The correct answer is option A, Canada. Canada shares the longest international land border with the United States. The border is divided into two: the border shared with Canada by the continental United States and the border that the state of Alaska shares with northern Canada. Next question, which mountain range separates Europe from Asia? Andes, Himalayas, Ural Mountains or Alps? The correct answer is option C, Ural Mountains. The Ural Mountains serve as a natural divide between Europe and Asia. Next question, who was the first emperor of China? Qin Shi Huang, Han Budi, Liu Bang or Sun Yat-sen? The correct answer is option A, Qin Shi Huang. Qin Shi Huang was the first emperor of China, known for unifying the country and beginning the construction of the Great Wall. Next question, who developed the first successful vaccine for smallpox? Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming or Joseph Lister? The correct answer is option A, Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner developed the first successful smallpox vaccine in 1796, laying the foundation for immunology. Last question, which is the longest railway line in the world? Trans-Siberian Railway, Indian Railways, Union Pacific Railroad or Orient Express? The correct answer is option A, Trans-Siberian Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway in Russia is the longest railway line, stretching over 9,000 kilometers. Now is the time for practice question. Which chemical element is represented by the symbol H? Hydrogen, helium, hassium or holmium? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.